Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SugarCRM for Enterprise Customer Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your server environment meets the system requirements for SugarCRM. Download the latest version of SugarCRM from its official website. Once the download is complete, extract the files to the desired directory on your server. Next, create a new MySQL database for SugarCRM using a database management tool, such as phpMyAdmin. Remember to note down the database name, username, and password for later use. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the directory where you extracted the SugarCRM files. You should see the SugarCRM installation wizard on your screen. Select your preferred language and click Continue. Carefully read and accept the license agreement to proceed. On the next screen, provide the database details you previously noted. This includes the database name, username, and password. Also, make sure to specify the database server, usually localhost. After entering the details, click Continue to move. Next, you'll configure the site settings. Fill in your admin username, password, and email. These credentials will allow you to access the SugarCRM admin panel. Once done, click Continue again. The installation wizard will now perform a system check to ensure everything is configured correctly. If any issues arise, follow the prompts to resolve them. Once all checks pass, click Continue to finalize the installation. The wizard will now install the necessary files and configure your SugarCRM instance. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation is complete, you will be prompted to remove the installation files for security reasons. Follow these instructions carefully. Now, navigate to your SugarCRM login page by adding /sugar to your server's URL. Log in using the admin credentials you set earlier. Congratulations, you've successfully installed SugarCRM for Enterprise Customer Management. You can now begin customizing and setting up the system according to your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.